Hey guys, hope you're doing amazing today. Today we're going to talk about some of the benefits of the programming language Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language. All the code is defined in classes, and most of these classes can be instantiated into objects. Java as well allows for functional programming since Java 1.8 or Java 8 as it's commonly known, but only within a class, though object-oriented is still the main organization of the code. Java supports encapsulation. Java has access modifiers that we will talk about in depth in a later episode. These access modifiers exist to protect data from unintended access and modification. Java is a platform-independent programming language. Java is an interpreted language that gets compiled into bytecode, which is the language the Java virtual machines know how to execute. Let me explain why we say that Java is an interpreted language and at the same time a compiled language. When we write Java code, this code we just created needs to be compiled into bytecode, which is the language the Java virtual machine understands. Once the JVM has the bytecode, it interprets its bytecode and runs the instructions. In recap, we just got to keep in mind that Java is compiled into bytecode, and inside the Java virtual machine, it interprets this bytecode to execute the instructions. A key benefit of using a Java virtual machine is that our Java code only needs to be compiled to work in a Java virtual machine. Hence, it only needs to be compiled once. Regarding the operating system, we will use our code. This is where the famous quote, "Write once, run everywhere" comes from. As well, Java is a robust programming language. Java prevents memory leaks because it manages the allocation of memory by its own. The garbage collector is in charge of deallocating memory we won't use anymore. This is a great advantage compared to C++ language where we need to be on top of the memory we were not using. As well, Java is simpler. Still comparing Java with C++, although don't get me wrong, we are not saying C++ is bad, instead it is amazing, but Java got rid of those pointers that could confuse more than one person. As well, operator overloading is not supported in Java. Java as well is secure. Java runs inside a virtual machine called the Java Virtual Machine, as we previously mentioned. This sandbox helps Java code to not make a lot of mess, but if you're an experimented developer, you may cause the damage you like. Java as well is multi-threaded. Java allows the multiple parts of our code to run at the same time, or as we commonly know, in parallel. Java architects as well always consider, when developing new features, the backwards compatibility. This is not 100% true, but changes that don't allow backwards compatibility occurs in a very staggered way and with notice. Java architects use the deprecation as a technique to warn developers that a change is going to be applied. And that will be for today. Please let me know any questions in the comment section and I will gladly answer it as soon as possible. Thank you for your time and I'll see you later.